Hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to find an exhaust leak. It just so happens that this has dual exhaust. It's going to be very simple. So all you need is a leaf blower, a couple of plastic bags, some tape, and you turn on your leaf blower. You get a bottle of soapy water, and I'll show you what it does when you find an exhaust leak. Okay, you seen the bubbles? That's where you're leaking from. So that was pretty simple. Shouldn't take you very long to do. And good luck. Thanks for watching.